Things that fade away.
Are you coming in?
The details I've already forgotten.
Make a wish.
You can't imagine that something so brutal can be so quiet.
Why did you come back? Why here?
Because this is when my Felix died.
You know something wasn't right. Move the eye from him to another. It's simple. You kill someone, he returns.
You're more pretty than your picture.
What is that? I see that everywhere. Could it kill someone? I hate you.
I am not here.
We are all monsters. Don't fight it. If you really listen, you become the owl, not the prey.